सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को गुजरे हुए आज 2 महीने से ज्यादा हो चुका है, लेकिन अब भी उनके प्रशंसक और उनसे जुड़े हुए लोग उनकी मौत की गम से उभर नहीं पा रहे हैं। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को इंसाफ मिले इस हेतु लोग लगातार अपनी आवाज उठाते हुए नजर आए हैं। अब आखिरकार इस मामले की कार्रवाई सीबीआई कर रही है। इसी बीच बहुत लोगों ने पॉपुलैरिटी पाने के लिए सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का विषय सामने लाया। ऐसा ही एक विषय दीपक काजी, जो कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के ऑन स्क्रीन पिता रह चुके हैं, उन्होंने हर्षद चोपड़ा के ऊपर इल्जाम लगाते हुए बताया है। पूरा मामला क्या है, चलिए जानते हैं। Harshad Chopra, who is amongst the most popular names in the industry, has been called out by one of the co-star from TV show Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil, Deepak Kazi, for playing a paid tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput. Deepak Kazi, who played the father of Harshad Chopra and Sushant Singh Rajput in the show, took to his Instagram to share his disappointment over Harshad paying a tribute to Sushant by dancing on his songs in front of his cutout and dressing like him. Talking to a leading portal, Deepak Kazi said, "I am angry only the fact that you never treated Sushant that important, and now when you are given some money, you are doing drama in one of the Ganpati specials on a popular channel. And I personally found it very bad taste." After which his fans are trolling me on social media. Only on my post they are questioning me that why I am talking about Sushant now and didn't talk before. Also, they are asking why I am calling Harshad's performance a paid tribute. I really don't mind them saying all this. What I felt bad about that a person died in such circumstances and you are dancing on his songs in a TV program in front of his cutout. Not only him but the channel should also understand what they are doing. You are paying tribute to someone by charging money. How correct is that? He also added, "I know Sonu Sood was also a part of that program, but I am sure whatever he must have earned out of it will be going to a cause where he is trying to help needies. I am not targeting Harshad. I am targeting the idea of commercializing the late actor for TRP. And if it was real tribute, so he should donate this money to the people who are struggling to survive in the lockdown. I'm even ready to apologize to him for posting this after that." Deepak also agreed to the statement made by the show's producer Binder Gary's wife Roshan Gary that Harshad used to get Sushant's lines cut. "I myself have witnessed this twice. Also, being the main hero, he used to get things accordingly, like a single vanity van for him, whereas Sushant used to share vanity with 2 to 3 other actors, but he never complained. I am sure when Sushant must have started doing Pavitra Rishta, he must have started getting his personal vanity and stuff," said Deepak. Coming back to Harshad's tribute performance, it aired on Star Plus on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi on August 22nd. He was dressed like Sushant's outfit from the Kedarnath song Sweetheart. The actor also performed on Rapta song and Ikovari. हर्षद के इस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में आप खुश हैं या ना खुश? दीपक जी की बातें आपको कितनी सही या कितनी गलत लगती है? आपका इन मुद्दों के बारे में क्या कहना है और इस वीडियो के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है? लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें।
All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.